How to imprint water with the AMI 750 Acoustic Meridian Intelligence device. The AMI 750 emits sound frequencies, which can be layered into containers of water, preferably not plastic. The sound will imprint the healing message into the water, which can be used to maximize the healing potential. Drinking the imprinted water is an adjunct to doing the 30-minute AMI 750 session and is not generally a replacement for it. It is also not necessary to drink the water immediately after a session. Rather, it can be used to continue the healing process at a later time that day or in the future. This imprinting can be done with any one of the specifically chosen 10 channels on the device. It is important to leave the container of water on the AMI 750 for the full length of the channel, which is 30 minutes. Some people prefer to place a small container of water, preferably with a lid, between their feet on the plexiglass plate of the device while they are experiencing the session. Another option is to charge water when you are not experiencing the session yourself. This way, you can imprint more water to have on hand for future use. Just place the container on the plexiglass plate and press start. You can leave the device unattended while the water is being imprinted. We suggest imprinting water only. We have no research on using other liquids, which could have an impact on the effect of the channel being used. People often ask, how much of it should I drink? It is very important to stay hydrated. Your daily amount of drinking water can be replaced with imprinted water, or you can choose to alternate with plain water that is from a pure source. In some cases, like with Channel 4 Vitality, it may not be necessary to fill all of your water with this imprint, as it may result in excess energy. The true purpose of imprinting is to augment the water with the information of the channel you are using for your health. It is best to imprint the water with the particular channel you are working with, rather than trying it with lots of different channels at the same time. Lots of channels make it difficult to interpret what response you are having and what is actually helping you. Does it work better to put more than one channel of frequencies into a container? Each channel has many codes which have 5-strand harmonics and subharmonics. It is more important for the body to get messages included in one channel and process that information than it is to overdo it. If you are doing a specific protocol and then supporting it with the same imprinted water, this provides good positive reinforcement of the frequency information for your body. How long do frequencies stay in the water? As far as we know, indefinitely. But if you add other substances to the water, then we have no studies to indicate what happens to the sound information, nor how long the original charge stays there. It is not recommended to boil the water or freeze it. Always begin with the best quality of water available. Other uses for imprinted water include cleansing areas of the skin, brushing the teeth, and in spiritual practices for clearing or cleansing stones and to enhance them with specific properties. Please remember, imprinting water is only a way to further enhance the use of the frequencies found in the AMI 750 device. The techniques shown here are not a substitute for traditional medical care, nor a replacement for cymotherapy or any other alternative medical treatment. For more information, please contact us at www.cymotechnologies.com.